Hi everybody, I am going to discuss constructor in Java. Why constructor? What are the features of constructor? And give an example of constructor. The constructor is a special member function whose name is same as class name. And it is used to initialize data member of the class. Why it is created? To initialize the data members. When we create the class, the name of the constructor should be the same as class name. When we create the objects, then the constructor within the class will automatically invoke and data members are initialized. We know that every object has some initialized values. Suppose this is the pen, it has ink when we first brought it from the shop. So ink is initialized inside the pen. Ink is initialized before to use the pen. So construct is a special member function whose name is same class name and initialize the object of that class before we can use the object. So it is used to initialize data members. So for the initialization purpose, constructor is used. What are the features of constructor? First of all, is automatically called. No need to call it with the help of dot operator. Just when the object is created, it is invoked and data members are initialized. Constructor can take parameters. It can take argument from the main and passes to the constructor and thus initialize with the specified value to the class. Let us consider the example of constructor. Suppose I want to add two numbers with the help of constructor. Import java.io.stir. Next, import java.util.scanner. These are the packages that are used to import from the Java compiler to our program so that we can use the features within the packages. Now class name is suppose addition. Class name is addition. Now within the class, the name of the class is same as function, then it is called constructor. So suppose there are two data member A and B and another data member to add two numbers A and B. Addition is the name of the class is addition, so the name of the constructor is addition. And it is used to initialize the data member. Suppose A is initialized to 10 and B is initialized to 20. So this constructor is used to initialize the data member A and B. Now there is a function, suppose in input, void input, there is a function void input. C is used to add those A and B and print the result C equal to A plus B and then print the result system dot out dot println result of addition is plus C semicolon and close the class. So this class consists of constructor. This one is called constructor because its name is same as class name and it is used to initialize the data member of the class. Now we can create the main class. The class, suppose the class name is addition test. Within the class, public static void main string args, and now we have to create the object. Name of the class is addition and the object is A1. So when object is created, new addition, then A1 object is initialized by constructor initialized by constructor like a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Constructor is used to initialize the data member of the class when it is called. When it is called, how it is called? When object is created. That means it is automatically called. When the object is created, it is activated and the data member are initialized a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Now when we call a1 dot input, as constructor is loaded the data member a equal to 10, b equal to 20, the input function will add those number 10 plus 20 equal to 30 and will display the result C as 30. So this is the concept of constructor. In the Java program, when you write constructor name is different than the addition class name, then it is considered as a member function, not constructor. It is a member function. It is special member function because its name is same as class name. This is the concept of class, an object and constructor. So constructor is a special member function whose name is same as class name and it is used to initialize the data member of the class. It is mainly used to initialize the data member of the class. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.